What's up, Woodmates, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna continue in infinity ring making. Alright, Woodmates, so first we need to do is to remove the tape from epoxy because of first sanding. For sanding and shaping I'm using the belt sander. Just look how beautiful it turns out after pouring by water on it. And now, drilling. For drilling I'm using some kinda of adjustable Forstner drill bit which grandpa gave me. After drilling we need to and we have to sand inside diameter, also cause of wearing comfort. I use 120 grit to sand accurate diameter. .600 and 2500 grits are just for make ring more comfortable for wearing or to wear. When we finish it sanding of inside diameter, we need to give right shape to ring, and for that I use belt sander too. Please, Woodmates, keep your attention on your fingers. We can clearly see minerals in the ring, but we have to sand it up to 2500 grit, so we will start at 2000 grit, cause we need to remove all scratches from belt sander. When we are finished with final sanding, the ring is smooth already, but we need to give a little bit more shine to ring. So for polishing I use polishing wheel, polishing paste and a bit of water. So when the ring is nice and shiny, we need to protect wood with mineral oil and beeswax. So finally, Woodmates, the ring is finished. I think it turns out very well, so I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time, Woodmates. Bye bye.